Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
There's a million things I could say, but you never really knew that, but you never really knew that I'm this way.
Yes,
wanna take it back to when
This nigga trying to cross the street, bro. It's not your turn to walk. Oh wait, it might be actually. I'm tweaking. Just another bright day, bright sunny day, man. Love walking outside to the STOLN cat. It ain't nothing better you can walk outside to, for real. All right, y'all boys, I'm gonna go back to the channel. As y'all boys can see, we got a little Geek lineup today, you feel me? This ain't our regular lineup, bro. I like when we switch up the lineup a little bit. But yeah, man, as y'all can see by the title though, we go back-to-back cat, man, cutting up in traffic, per usual, dogging it, per usual. But that's enough talking for real though. I'll catch y'all boys in the whip.
Young nigga step for young nigga step for big, you already these young niggas step for big, you already know that. Put me in it.
If y'all boys want to know a smooth little way to make some side cash, listen up. And I mean like really listen, bro. Put both ears on the screen, you feel me? The secret to how I'm able to pay for tires, gas, everything like that daily is free cash. Free cash is basically a way you can play games on your phone and make money. Who wouldn't want to do that, bro? That's like top 2 combos ever, bro. Playing games and making money, it can't get no better than that. All you gotta do is scan the QR code on the screen or click the first link in the description and you'll start off with $10. Who don't want a free $10, bro? I'm trying to tell you. You could be at school, bored, in the back of the class, playing the game while making money. You feel me? While your teacher yelling at you. Or you could be passenger seat on a road trip, you feel me? Still making money on your phone. Now, of course, it ain't no get rich quick money, you feel me? But it's good money to pay for things like gas and daily essentials. It might take a little bit of time to build like a huge payout, but you're gonna be on your phone anyways. You might as well make some money while being on it. But go ahead and scan that QR code to get signed up. Like I said, you get a free $10 using my code or my link. And click that first link in the description. And y'all boys start making some bread, man. It's time to lock in for real. We all gotta be in Cats 2027. You know we gotta hit the infamous U-turn over here. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. Tires getting burnt up already, boy. I love this. Oh shit, this nigga Chris just spun out back there. Yo, this nigga Chris. This dumbass nigga Chris, bro. It's starting to get dark, not gonna lie. That's good, cause I just put these stars in here, so you feel me? Y'all boys gotta see the 13 hours of hard work I did dolo. What is going on? I'm hearing tire screech, that's not us. Aggressive pulls in the cat. Let the cat get loose. Shawty wanna get loose, we let her get loose. Why does my car feel faster? Like I just gassed up and this shit feel faster. Maybe because I got shoes on now, I don't know. to get loose. This nigga trying to cross the street, bro. It's not your turn to walk. Oh wait, it might be actually. I'm tweaking. In front of me gotta go. And who this car in front of me think they is going this slow, bruh? What's up with you, shawty? I would have been went around, but I'm like, you know, I got people following me, so I ain't gonna do the most. Cause y'all know how stolen get on these streets. Thank you, he getting out the way. That's a good NPC. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. It's like top 3 catchphrases for me, I ain't gonna lie. P's car is actually like insanely loud, bro. I don't remember it being this loud before. I thought I looked down and it said it wasn't recording. I was finna go crazy. Wait, this road's supposed to be closed though, so how are we gonna get in there? Oh, I guess it ain't closed.
She get too comfortable, have to tell her she is not my bitch. I took it so I'm right the Vic, then he fit on my switch. I lay up with you, but don't hit cause I got booty dick. But it's cool cause Jay with me, shit I bet.
I tried a new camera setting, so let me know how it look. If not, I'll change it back to being wider. As y'all can see, we go stars now, bruh. This is like so much better. Damn, nigga. Just fucked my whole head mount up. The camera angle right, bro. That bump really knocked my shit loose. The bump not shot it loose. I got full gas because we literally just got gas, so I just need something to drink. I'm trying to pop a op, you trying to pop a pill. If I can't put you to sleep.